Hello, this is Joshua Rapaport. I'm the General Director of Cross-Border Investment, and I'm here to talk to you today about the current mortgage conditions. So just in case if we forget to update this video in the future, I just want to make clear that this is filmed at the beginning of June 2025, and loan conditions can obviously change. As things currently stand, we have mortgages that are in pesos. You do not need to have any ties to Mexico, so you can be American, Canadian, have all your income and credit from the States, and get a mortgage via a Mexican bank. The down payment for a peso loan is currently at 15% down payment. The interest rates are between 10 to 12%, and the amortization period is up to 20 years, and there's no prepayment penalty. For the US dollar loans, the current down payment is 35%. The interest rate is between 7.9 to 9%. The mortgages can be amortized up to a 30-year term, and there is no prepayment penalty on the US dollar mortgages either. It's important to note that, for example, if you're purchasing a property that's priced in US dollars, but you want a mortgage in pesos, you can do that. What would happen is at the day of the funding of the mortgage, we would use the pesos from the loan to purchase US dollars and transfer those to the seller, okay? You can see that the big difference is, one of the big differences between the mortgage products is the down payment requirement. Again, with pesos, it's 15%. With US dollar mortgages, it's 35%. And also the interest rate. With pesos, we're talking 10 to 12%. And with US dollars, it's about 7.9 to 9%. In terms of qualifications, it is very important to note that in Mexico, the collateral, so the property, is very important in terms of qualifications as well. The banks here are not very flexible on the types of collaterals that they will take, the type of property. It needs to be a fully constructed house or condominium for residential use. So it is very important that when you're starting the pre-qualification process, and if you do have a property in mind or you have several properties that you're considering, that you send to your loan officer here at CBI the information on those properties so we can verify that they should be acceptable as a collateral. Thank you very much for listening to our video, and we hope to work with you in the future.